Hi Robuxio trader, welcome again to our market update where we will look at the level 3 crypto index, we will look at the performance of our current portfolio and also of the performance of our new portfolio. I want to show you more the differences between those two portfolios because as our clients you need to understand it properly and you also need to know why we are making these changes and why we are able to make these changes these days or in following months. Okay, so first of all, let's look over total 3 crypto index that is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum plus USDT. You can see that it was growing pretty nicely starting December 23, but now it is moving like next 10 days basically in a trading range without any direction, and it is making some correction now. What we can see and what's big advantage is that the volatility is growing and is on average, so it is good for us because as you know already, we really need and want as high volatility as possible. So this is to the overall market update. If we look at our high risk portfolio performance, you can see that in 3 months we are about 22-23% up, which is quite good, even though you can see that this crypto index made a little bit more. It made like 35-33%. It's very normal. Sometimes strategies are in sync, sometimes they are a little bit out of sync. The biggest reason why we are underperforming this crypto index these days, like last 3 months, is because of these moves. You can see that crypto is moving, but it is moving with quite a lot of range bound moves. So that's why we got into a few false breakouts and we lost a bit on these moves, and then we made some money on this move with a few nice trades. It is what it is, and it is what trading is also about. But I want to tell you guys that you always have to look at the portfolio and at your trading from broader perspective, because for example, look at the performance starting 2022. You can see that the overall crypto index is like minus 50%. If you compare it to the portfolio performance from the year 22, from the start 2022, you can see that we made basically almost 3x. So big difference, and the portfolio is doing quite well. But of course we are working on it, and we know that there can be still made more, and you are also having service. You are not paying for one solution that is what it is and we won't touch it at all. No, we are still working at it, and we want to add few more strategies, as you know. But the reason why those strategies are not in the portfolio these days are basically the main ones because there are some trend following strategies that are pretty volatile. The volatility is higher than we would like, but we have some strategies that are negatively correlated to those trend strategies. That's why we can finally put these highly volatile trend strategies into the portfolio without adding the overall volatility of the portfolio, which is a huge benefit and which is something we were working on several months. But we are finally getting closer, and I think that in January we would be able to provide you the new portfolio. So that's very good news. What I wanted to show you is some comparison between the old portfolio. This one is high risk Robuxio portfolio, which made starting October about 22%, and the new high risk portfolio that is up about 35%. And you can see that the curve of the equity is much smoother. So again, one of the advantages of this new portfolio. So that's basically it. We are in quite a nice environment these days. Let's see how it will be moving during Christmas and in December in general, because this is a period where markets usually tend to be pretty low volatile. So let's see. Markets are always true, and they will show us what they want to offer us, and we will just trade accordingly. Okay guys, thank you for being with us. Thank you for using our service, and I want to wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and let's stay in touch. Thank you. Bye.